Hello friends, welcome to C# Space. Today in this video session we will discuss about how to use a query string in ASP.NET Core application. So let's start. We open our Visual Studio. Here I already create a blank project for ASP.NET Core with the MVC pattern. So first of all I'm going this controller, this home controller.cs, and here by default all these pages is created when we choose MVC. So I'm going to this index view inside this home folder, and here we create one text box and one button for redirecting to query strings. So I am removing all this default HTML from the page, and here I am creating one text box and one button for redirecting a text box value. So like I am creating this home group. This is bootstrap class, and this is the input. It's a type is equal to text, and then it's the txt value, and then one button for redirecting, like a button. It's like a submit, and this class bootstrap classes btn submit, btn primary, and here I am writing a script for redirecting this text box value. So we are providing ID like btn submit. I am writing a jQuery code for creating a function that get a value from a text box and redirect with a query string. Click, then function, it's window dot location dot href is equal to, I am redirecting with a same page like a home, index, and like a query. It's a query string names. You can take any query string name, and then we store this value. Now I am adding one heading by which we print the value for a query string. This is the query string. Here in ASP.NET Core we using one more function. It's a context dot request dot query query. In ASP.NET MVC or ASP.NET Forms, we writing a direct like a request.query string, then writing ID, but here we can write like this context.request.query, and here we printing this it's a query. I'm adding one more conditions for this, like when this is null, it's a convert to string is not equal to null, then this will be print. And I'm writing one heading that this value come from query string, like I'm writing here is query string. And if you want to access this to our server side code, means .cs, then I'm writing this code for here, like if convert to string, and then this query, it's here we writing a http context dot request dot query, and here we writing an key, it's a query is not equal to null. Then we store this value into temp data, like I am writing here, it's temp data, like msg equal to this value, secure string value, and then here we accessing this temp data to here, like here if temp data is not equal to null, then we alert this message, it's alert this temp data dot msg. Now we run this application, so I'm pressing a Ctrl F5 for debugging this application. Now this running, by default this home and index method will be called, so I'm writing here like a C# space and then click on submit button. Then this alert message is showing from temp data that we stored inside this controller, and after clicking to OK, this query string that directly print from a view from here. So yeah, it's a complete process for how we work in a query string in ASP.NET Core. So this is the complete process. So if you have any questions, any problem, please write in comment box, I will reply you soon. So thanks for watching, and if you like my videos, please click on subscribe button, and for getting a latest updates also click on notification bell. So thanks.